Hi lovelies, the time must come again to be cooking different kind of delicious recipes. Lovelies, I'll be sharing the easiest way to boil your meat like a pro. It will give you very rich meat stock and the meat will be super delicious and tender to your taste. Let's get it started. I'm going to pour the meat I'll be using into a pot. Okay, I have cow skin, I have goat meat, I have beef, I have cow leg in this pot, and I'm going to add turkey on top of it now. All right, let the turkey be at the top. What I'm showing you right now is ginger and garlic, fresh ginger and fresh garlic. I pour it into a mortar. I added a little bit of water and I'm just going to pound it now. All right, you can chop this. You can use your kitchen processor as well, but I love this mortar. Oh, so now I'm going to pour the pounded ginger and garlic into the pot now. So you can just spread it all over like this. I'll be adding seasoning now. I'm just going to sprinkle the seasoning all over it like this. So after that, I'll be adding thyme. Yes, I'm adding thyme now into the meat. After that, I'll be adding curry. Curry is going to give it super delicious aroma and of course it boosts the taste as well. It's now time to add seasoning mixture. If you have the seasoning mixture, they call it aromat, add it into it. If you don't have it, no problem, it's just optional. And I'll be adding chili powder, or if you have habanero pepper, just throw only one into it like that. You don't need to blend it, but this is what I have. Yes, it's now time for salt. I'll be adding bay leaf. And of course, I'm going to add some water. Please, not too much water at this stage. I'm going to add just some water, a little bit of water to spread those ingredients all over the meat. And I'll be using my spatula just to stir it a bit together. Okay? Please remember to leave a like, love, and comment. Thank you. So it's now time to add diced onion. Please be generous with your onions. It's very important when boiling meat for your super yummy meat stock. Cover and bring it to boil. Now this has been boiling for about 10 minutes to 12 minutes. Yes. Now I just opened it and I'm just going to stir it together. You need to be here. This just first minutes of boiling this meat, the aroma says it all already. Mix it together and cover again and boil. So I'm going to open this again. It's been cooking for about another 15 minutes, which is super okay for the turkey. The turkey is done. Yes, I'm just going to take the turkey out now, out of the meat stock. So I'm going to keep the turkey aside and I'll continue to boil the rest of the meat. So at this stage, my beef, shaki, goat meat, they are tender enough. I'm just going to take them out of the meat stock. I cover again because of the cow leg was so stubborn, so I cooked it a bit longer. So and I'm now super perfect with the cow leg and every other thing now, so I'm just going to take them out of the meat stock again. So this meat stock, is everything. Cook your jollof rice, fried rice, stew, egusi. With this, you will thank me later. And the meat is also there. Enjoy this beautiful season with easy and delicious recipes. Love you.